side will have exact match with this model. So if you just go through the diagram and then try to match, most probably you will not miss anything, okay? So this is the uterus. This part, uterus, alright? Once again, please hold on, listen, okay? So this is the uterus and this is the fundus of the uterus, right here, right there. This is the whole body of the uterus, and you can see this part is the cervix of the uterus because it's going inside the vagina. This is the vagina. This is the posterior fornix, this is the anterior fornix, alright? Races, small races over there. This small pink layer is the endometrium, alright? Endometrium. This is the myometrium, and the outer covering is the perimetrium. This small thing like a peanut, this is the ovary, and you can see some finger-like things. This is the fimbria, infundibulum. The whole thing is the uterine tube, right? Uterine tube. Okay. Now about other things. You know, this is the urinary bladder, this is the urethra, and this is the rectum and anal canal. There are two lip-like things, I said, two on each side, labia minora and labia majora. All right? And the similar thing over here again, ovary, the fimbria, infundibulum, uterine tube, and this is actually called the round ligament of uterus. You can see one ligament. Those of you are on the other side, I'm showing you. This is the round ligament of uterus.
Why is it called round?
Round ligament is round. That's right. And there is another tube right here. Do you know what is the name of this tube? You know. Let's try. Yes, you're right. Ureter. All right, ureter. Ureter. All right, 4.0 ureter. All right. So now we are done with the female reproductive organs. Now let's try to see the male reproductive organs. Similar things you will find: rectum, anal canal, urinary bladder, but this time urethra is pretty long. So this part, this is the prostate. So this part we have got the prostatic part of urethra. This is the membranous part of urethra, and this is the penile or spongy part of urethra. All right. And we have got actually another thing like this where you can see the seminal vesicles. All right, seminal vesicles on the other side. All right, we have got that thing. Similarly, this is the ureter. All right, ureter. And other things are like this. You know, the bulbourethral glands should be right here. All right, bulbourethral glands should be right here. And ductus deferens, okay, actually we need that. Mansi, we have got one supplementary for the male. Okay, I'm going to show you that thing. So things will be much more easier for you to understand. Because we will be using this type of models, and I'll show you the other one. So here, this is the testis within the scrotum, and this is the real testis, and this is the epididymis.
Snake.
Yes, thank you. This is the thing. So now you can see the seminal vesicle, right? Can you see the seminal vesicle? And can you see the ductus deferens? Very long tube going down, ductus deferens. And you can now clearly see the epididymis. You can see the testis, and this is within the scrotum. All right, within the scrotum. And that's it.
Now we go home.
So would you like to see